Meteorologist Matthew East here with you in the Weather on the Ones Forecast Center. This is the Carolina weather video for Friday, the 19th day of March. And today, the final full day of winter. Spring officially begins early tomorrow afternoon, on Saturday afternoon. And watch some great weather set to unfold for us here over the next couple of days. Just perfect weather today and tomorrow. And I think we squeeze in most of Sunday with some pretty good weather as well. Let me show you what the watch warning and advisory situation is across the lower 48, and obviously the action is right in the nation's midsection. A pretty good snowstorm occurring up in the Rocky Mountain region, especially the Rockies of Colorado, and then snow with that spilling out into parts of Nebraska, northwestern Kansas, and eventually there'll be some snow with this through the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle regions, and even maybe as far east and south as Oklahoma City, as this next system sort of ejects on out. Now, this is the radar across the southeast this morning. The rain across the coastal part of the Carolinas yesterday is gone out to sea. This is all ground clutter across parts of Missouri, Oklahoma, and into eastern Kansas this morning. The actual precip really back from northern Nebraska into the Rockies. Now, for our area, the clouds are also gone for the Piedmont, and they'll be gone soon for the coast. And we're going to be looking at a lot of sunshine here as we go through the next couple of days. Now, here's the setup with our next system. This is the upper air chart, 500 millibars, and this is valid at 8 o'clock in the morning, Sunday morning. And you're looking at a cutoff, close 500 millibar low, and a strong one at that, over western parts of Arkansas. And then we go out 24 hours later, and you see it's a slow mover, only sitting over Nashville at that point in time. And that's obviously a pretty far south track. If this were earlier in the wintertime season, we'd be talking about a deep south snow potential with this, most likely. But at any rate, a very strong upper air low that's going to be affecting a lot of folks across the southeast. Now, let me sort of take you through the modeling. This is the 0Z run of the GFS, and everyone seeing a lot of sunshine today. And that's a welcome sight for a lot of folks that have been sort of socked in with the cloud cover over the past several days. We're going to see severe clear today, a lot of sunshine all the way from Arkansas, Louisiana, through the Tennessee Valley, the deep south, right on up through the Carolinas and the Virginias today. Just a beautiful day. And around the Piedmont of North Carolina, we're talking low to mid-70s for high temperatures today. Tomorrow, I think mid-70s, and maybe even a few upper 70s trying to creep in some spots around the I-95 corridor. Just a great day for Saturday as well. At the same time, now this is 8 p.m. Saturday, what we're looking at here. At that point in time, you're looking at that area of low pressure beginning to strengthen here over parts of Arkansas and Louisiana, the surface low. And because of that, you have a severe weather threat coming up really tomorrow evening into tomorrow night, primarily along the Gulf Coast. Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, the main focus of that activity. But it could be a couple strong to severe storms even up into central Arkansas, as far north as North Alabama and Mississippi, possibly with that system. Now we go out to Sunday. This is Sunday morning, and like I mentioned, I think we're going to squeeze in a mainly dry Sunday. Showers and storms over Alabama, Mississippi, and Arkansas, parts of Tennessee, early Sunday, and that then progresses eastward. This is a look at 8 p.m. Sunday evening. And a little bit of printout here across the region. Maybe very late in the afternoon we see a few showers or thunderstorms straying in here, but I think the bulk of the activity will be overnight Sunday night. This is 2 a.m., the precip through 2 a.m., and this is the precip through 8 a.m. And certainly most of the modeling focusing on that midnight to 7 or 8 a.m. time frame here across the North Carolina Piedmont as being the main window of opportunity for these showers and thunderstorms. There's the day 3 convective outlook, no slight risk areas. But this would be mainly Sunday night across North Carolina and South Carolina. That's when there's a chance for maybe a couple of strong to severe storms. Overall, the dynamics the overall setup, I should say, is not that great for severe weather, but it bears watching. Could be a couple strong to severe storms Sunday night somewhere across our region. Now, behind the system, Monday sort of looks like a day with some lingering cloud cover as that cold core upper level low goes right overhead. So we'll call it sort of a mostly cloudy day. Could be a stray shower or two as Monday unfolds. And Tuesday, still some lingering cloud cover as that low slowly pulls on away. And then we get into very quiet weather through the middle part of the week. Wednesday, sunshine, and it warms back up. We're talking highs, upper 60s to maybe around 70 Wednesday. And then up into the low 70s again by Thursday. It still looks like our next system's set to move in around Friday of next week. And I want to show you this. This is out on the 28th, and the GFS showing a pretty good blast of cold air. This is Sunday week. Pretty good shot of cold air into the central and eastern part of the country. We'll see if indeed that verifies. All right, that is it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Enjoy that great weather. It is going to be spectacular here over the next couple of days. Next edition of the video will be up bright and early on Monday morning. Have a great weekend, and God bless.